Hello everyone, Dana here from Dana's Electrical Services, and this is the full and detailed review of the Dewalt DCD805B 20 volts hammer drill. This is the compact hammer drill, and I already did the unboxing and the first impression of this drill. So if you're interested, you can go back and watch that video. Just go to my channel and search Dewalt 20 volts hammer drill unboxing and first impression, or something similar to that, and you'll find the unboxing and first impression of this drill. Right, so now I have the full detailed review. I have been using this one for about 2 weeks now, and I am going to give you my review based on the 2 weeks that I've been using it, and also I will be bringing it in the yard to do a yard test. If you don't know what that means, I'm basically going to put it to the test. So you're going to see it in action, right? Drilling wood, drilling board. Well, wood and board is basically the same thing. Drilling metal, drilling masonry, driving screw. So I'll be doing all that. So just stay tuned, guys. Just stay tuned for the yard test, because that one is going to be interesting. Not interesting, no. Interesting. I got to break up my syllables, right? Interesting. Anyways, I bought this one on Amazon for a price of $135 US, and as I said in the unboxing and first impression video, the price fluctuates, but I noticed that it ranged between like 120 to 150, something thereabout, right? And for that price you get just the tool, nothing else, just the tool, guys, right? Well, on this thing right here that I was trying to figure out in the unboxing video, but I figured it out. I couldn't figure where it. I know what it is. I know that it's supposed to be the carrying hook, right? But I wasn't sure where it goes. But now I know. So it goes here. It can go on either side. So either here or here, right? So it can go on either side. I think I'm gonna put it on this side. So I think it's a little difficult to, based on the position, might be a little bit difficult to screw in. Let me see if I can find a screwdriver. I think I should have a little pen screwdriver somewhere here. If I can find it, I will use it to insert this. I don't think it is here. I think I left it in the car. Let me see if I can use this little tweezer to drive it down a little. Getting a little turn on it. No, I should have a screwdriver somewhere close by. Oh, okay, look, guys. Let me not be lazy. Just give me about 10 seconds. I'll be back. Literally 10 seconds. I should find a screwdriver in 10 seconds. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I found one. No, this is not the right one. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I found one in 15 seconds. This screwdriver is very old and dusty. This is it. Look at it. This seems like a ancient day screwdriver. Something that was around with the dinosaurs. But guess what? It gets the job done. And that is the greatest. I'm not sure if I'll keep this on it, you know. I'm not sure at all if I'll keep this on it. I don't know, or maybe I will. Not sure as it. Anyways, that's that. So I have a little battery here. This is what, 2 amp? I'm not even sure if it is 2 amp. Let me check and see if it is. I think it is 2 amp hour. Where do I see that? Oh, this is actually 1.5 amp hour. Wow, this is actually 1.5 amp hour. So this is what we'll currently use to get the job done. A drill of this magnitude, I think it needs something more than this. So I'm going to get a 5 amp hour for it. So that 5 amp hour battery can bring it to the distance that I want to bring it. Right? Let's give it up for this drill. Let's hear it for this drill. Wow, it's singing. So you have 2 speed, that is 2. This is 1. 2 is the faster one, of course, and it's currently on the drill only. This is drill and hammer. Put it back in 2. So, and then you have chuck, which is 1 through to 15. So this is for driving screws and bolts and those stuff, right? And we have a little light at the front there. We have 3 options for the light. So this is off. This is, let me turn off the lights and see, so you can see better. So this is like a little dim light, like, yeah, so that is like a little dim light, like, and when you use it, and after how many seconds? Not sure after how many seconds. Let's test it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So after 20 seconds, it turn off, right? And then we have this one right here, which is a brighter light, and I see this one actually has 20 minutes mark on it. I don't know if you can see it. I'll turn it off. So it's a bit difficult to see, but 20 minutes is marked on it right there. So I guess it stays on for 20 minutes, which doesn't make any sense. So I'd suggest you leave it on the middle one right there that turns off after 20 seconds. And you can rotate it up a little and then back down. So it has 3 slots. So 1, 2, 3. Right? What else do I need to tell you about this drill before I bring it in the yard test? I don't think I'm forgetting anything. Or let's hope I'm not forgetting anything. So we have the driver, the whatever that is called, for the reverse, the button for the reverse, right? And then we have this one for the forward. And then if we leave it in the middle, then it locks the trigger, right? What am I leaving out? Well, I can go ahead and tell you that I am impressed with it so far. Very impressed with it so far, but you'll get a chance to see what I'm talking about. So let's cut this video and go to the yard test to get some work done. Let's go drilling. Now we're here and we're ready for the yard test. It is a bit windy outside, so you might notice that the camera will be shaking or is shaking a bit. So let me turn off my light because I won't need it. Turn off my light because I won't need it. This is us. So as you can see, I have a variety of things right here. I have quite a few masonry or concrete bits. Well, that is the main reason why I buy this drill, because I need to have a battery drill to drill into concrete. Right, so that's the main reason why I buy it. So I have quite a few, and I will be drilling into masonry with the different size and see how well it performs. And we'll also drive in some screws and drilling into metal, drilling into board and all that. So I'm just going to give you the full yard test. But the first thing I'm going to do is to drive some screw, so some drywall screw into this 2x2 board. This is not a soft board, guys, this is a tough board. So let me put in my bits. So I put in my bit. Let me put my chuck on about 5. Right, my chuck is on 5. I'm gonna start the one with the number 1 speed. So see how well it drive this. Effortlessly. Let me remove it. I'm gonna do one more and on the same speed. I'm gonna put the chuck. I'm gonna remove it. Put the chuck on 1. The chuck is on 1. I realize that it gone all the way in, but anyways. And I'm going to do one on the fast speed, so I'm going to put it at number 2. Right, number 2. It's still on the number 1 chuck. Look how quick does that. Look how quick it drills, guys. Ready? This is not stable, so let me set it stable now. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Yep, so that's it as it relates to driving screw. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, well, let me remove these first. I don't want to leave my screws in this board, so let me remove them. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing now is I'll be using these. I have 2 different size bits for board or wood, right? So I have a 19, this is what, millimeter, and a 25 millimeter, right? So I'm going to use the 19 first, and then I'll be using the 25, right? So insert it, and I'm going to go on number 1 speed, and I'm going to change my settings to drilling only, right? So let's go. I'm not going to go all the way through because I have concrete at the bottom here. I don't want my bit to touch the concrete and damage my bit. That's pretty smooth, if you ask me. Smooth. Let me try number 2 speed now. Oh, pretty impressive. Let me try the 25 mm now. So first with number 1 speed. I think you can use number 1 speed when you want precision, right? Because you have more time to make precise drilling. Now I'm going to try number 2 speed. That's impressive, and I didn't even apply much force to it. That's impressive. So those are out of the way, right? Oh, I have a next bit right here that I can test the driving capability. So we have this screw right here, and I have my nut driver, right? So if I can get back my 2x2 board and see, so first with the number 1 speed, turn my chuck down to about 2. Let's go. It's a bit slant because of how I position myself, right? So let's go again. I can increase the chuck, right? I'm gonna do number 2 speed now. Right, let's go again. Wow. Increase the chuck. Let's go again. Impressive. This is very impressive. So that's out of the way. Now, for the main things, right, which is the masonry, I have quite a few different sizes. This is the one that I use the most, I think. This is what, 5/16? No, it's 3/16. This is 3/16. This is the one that I use the most, right? And then this one, which is 1/4. When I'm anchoring things, I mostly use 3/16 or 1/4. But also, I will be testing, and put them in order. So 3/16, 1/4. After 1/4, I have 5/16. After 5/16, I have 3/8. After 3/8, I have what? 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch, and I have this massive 5/8 right here. All of them I'll be testing. So I didn't test this into 1/2 inch, but if it can do these, you also know if it can do this one, right? So I can move these out of the way because I'm finished with them. Oh, and I have this little metal bit right there. Should I leave the metal for last or the concrete for last? I think I'm going to try the metal first. So I'm going to do the metal, then I do the concrete. So it would be nice if I had a smaller metal bit. This one is not seeing the size on it. Not seeing the size on this one. It seems like about, I don't know, I don't want to guess. This metal bit also work as a hood bit also. So if I set the settings, it's not very impressive as a hood bit. Correct. So it's not doing a good job. It's not doing a good job as a wood bit. I thought when I bought it, it said wood and metal, but not doing a very good job as a wood bit. Maybe I might be wrong. Maybe it's just a metal bit. So let's get to a piece of metal and put it to the test. So I don't even know what's the thickness of this. Maybe you can judge it. It's a very old piece of metal. So I'm going to try and see what this can do to this. It's always good if you can use a smaller bit and then use a bigger one to widen it. So we're going to use our high speed drill only. So let's go. So this is not doing a good job. Let me try the chuck. This is not doing a good job. I think it's the bit though. I think it's a bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back into it, right? And I'm going to try a self-tapping screw. So I have my self-tapping screw. Let's see if I can get it through this. So quickly I'm through it. So I think it's the bit that's the problem. This bit, no good. Maybe I'm just using one that is too big, or it's no, well, the edge seems gone, so it seems dull. Looking at the tip, it seems dull, so I guess it's the bit. I need to get some metal bit. But quickly it goes through this. Yep, that's that. Time to drill through some concrete. Are you ready? Are you ready? I said, are you ready? Let's get ready to rumble. Are you ready to rumble? Let's get ready to rumble. So, my first bit, which is 3/16. So, I don't think I'm going to use the faster speed. I'm going to test it on 1 first and then see, but I think 2 would be the most ideal one, or the more ideal one. So let's try 1 first and then see what 2 got. And let's see what 1 got in store, even though I know 2 is the right one. So 1. 1 is late, very late. Let's go to 2. Look at that. No problem. No problem at all. Right? So 1, so 3/16 did a good job. Wow. A bit fly far away. So that was 3/16. Let's see what a 1/4 inch got in store for us. I'm not going to use the same hole. I'm going to use a different hole each time. So let's go. 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch went even faster than the 3/16. I think my 3/16 bit is dull, guys. I think it's dull. Now what we got here? We got We got 5/16. Let's see what 5/16 got in store for us. Impressive. Impressive. I realized something now. I think I need to change my 3/16 bit because there is no way the bigger bit is going too fast. As I said, I told the guys before, I use this one more. So I think it is done. I need to change it. So this test let me realize that. Now, let me see what we got here. This one is what? The 3/8. So let's see what the 3/8 got in store for us. Just like that, we're all the way through. Right? That was 3/8. Now, this big boy right here, which is 1/2 inch. By right, I don't think I should be drilling bigger than 1/2 inch with this drill. Since it is a 1/2 inch drill. Anyways, let's go. This is the 1/2 inch. Let's see what 1/2 inch got in store for us. That's 1/2 inch, guys. That's 1/2 inch. I think I like this drill. I don't know what you guys think, but I think I like it. Now, let's see if I'm going to ruin my drill with this massive 5/8 drill bit. You can't even see the drill on camera. But anyways, let's go. Let me fix back. Let me put back this on the right settings. Yeah, I don't know what caused it to jump up there. Anyways, let's go. Having a lot of vibration. A lot of vibration. Anyways, we have to. That was not necessary. That was so not necessary. Anyways, that is the final thing for the yard test, guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. I learned 2 things from this, other than what I now find out about this drill. I learned that I need to get another 3/16 drill bit, right? And I need to get some metal drill bit. So now I'm back from the yard test, and what do you think? What do you think? Comment down below in the comment section and tell me what do you think of this drill. Are you impressed? Are you not impressed? Do you think I overhype it? What do you think I did wrong? Just let me know. Comment and let me know. So there you have it, guys. This was the full detailed review of the Dewalt DCD805B 20 volts armor drill. So this was another video brought to you by Daniels Electrical Services. For more videos like these, please feel free to subscribe to my channel at Daniels Electrical Services. Thank you.